I attach too fast and I detach too slow. Well, I never detach. I cling to memories like a wound associates itself to pain. I get stuck on a feeling until I lose the count of changing calendars on my wall. I keep myself hidden, protected, in dark, just like I hesitate to share my metaphors with the world. They are imperfect, sometimes too cliche, sometimes too unconventional. At times they don't even make sense, but I believe in them, just like I believe in love. I stand in front of the mirror. I see a sky all around me. I stand staring at the setting sun and I can smell my existence. I drench myself in the rain and I feel like a cloud that has just embraced fire. I paint a rainbow only to find it doesn't ever have the sequence predefined with gear. I experience the beauty in fluidity while I chase. I chase memories, dreams, thoughts, and reflections. All of these pursuits, I pour them out. I engrave them on bits of paper. If you squeeze my existence, all that ooze out of me is love, grief, memories, dreams, and thoughts. If you'll squeeze my existence, you'll rid me of a vacuum. I have failed many times at many things, and mostly at loving. I have been teaching myself the lesson of self love for years. The theory I learned really well, but the practicals, I suck at them. So every time I see reflection of my dream world in someone's eyes, I step back. I chain myself. They say you can't love someone else with entirety if you don't love yourself. Self love makes you whole. And the way it's going, I'm afraid I'll always fail at loving myself. I'm not even sad about it. What upsets me is that I won't be able to love someone else because of it. And I'll have to carry this lump in my throat, this weight on my chest, forever. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I hope you liked it. If you like my poems and if you like my content, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel, I, Smriti Anand, welcome you to the family. And if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel, share the content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And also, please give it a big thumbs up and keep coming back to the channel again and again. I'll keep posting new videos every week. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.